Hi everyone, Cheryl here from Love and Light Yoga, and thank you for joining me for this super quick 10-minute full body flow where we'll stretch the entire body in just 10 minutes. So you don't need anything for this, just yourself and your mat, and whenever you are ready, let's begin. Okay everyone, so let's meet at the back of our mats, take the toes together, take the knees nice and wide, and just go ahead and walk those fingertips forwards, bring the forehead to the floor, and just take a few deep breaths here, starting to welcome a nice deep stretch in through your hips, into your back, into your shoulders. Think about releasing your chest down towards the floor, opening up through the armpits. Take one more deep breath here. And then release out of child's pose and come all the way up into your tabletop. On all fours, wrists under shoulders, knees under the hips. And we'll take a few cat-cows here. Inhaling as we look forward and drop the belly, and exhaling as we tuck the chin into the chest and round the spine. Every inhale to roll forwards, open the chest and the shoulders. Every exhale, chin to chest, round the back. Just breathing here, starting to connect this movement to your breath. Nice, and then the next time that we're going to take our exhale, we're going to tuck the toes under and then start to lift the hips and send the hips back into a downward facing dog. Keep the palms of the hands planted onto the floor and start to pedal out through the legs, bending each knee at a time. And then the next time that we have the right knee bent, we're going to focus on straightening out the left leg. Try to reach that left heel down towards the floor, just welcoming in a deeper stretch in through the left hamstrings. Remember to keep breathing deeply. And then switch, bend the left knee, straighten the right. Try to release that right heel down towards the mat. Take one more deep breath here. And then straighten both legs just as much as you can into your downward facing dog. As we inhale, roll forwards into high plank, wrists under the shoulders. Take a big inhale here. And then exhale, slowly lower down to the belly, untuck the toes, and bring the elbows underneath the shoulders. Press the palms of the hands into the floor and look forwards, coming into your sphinx pose. Focus on lengthening out your spine, rolling your shoulders back. Take a big inhale and a full exhale. And then either take one more breath here, or if it feels good, we can start to extend through the elbows, lift the shoulders, lift the chest a little bit higher. One more breath here. And then exhale as we lower to the floor, slide the hands back underneath the armpits, and then lift yourself back to a downward facing dog. Pedal out the feet. Palms of the hands pressing into the mat, chest back towards the thighs. Maybe we come back into stillness in our downward facing dog. Inhale, lift the right toes up to the sky. Exhale, bend the knees, step the right foot forwards. Plant the back foot to the floor and inhale, sweep the hands up to the sky. Keep that bend through the front knee into our warrior one. Take a full deep breath here. Maybe start to shine your heart up to the sky, arching back. Nice, take a big inhale
And then exhale, bring the hands back to the floor, plant the hands, come onto the back toes and step both feet back, high plank. Take an inhale. As we exhale, lower halfway down. As we inhale, press into the hands, upward facing dog. Keep the thighs lifted. Take a breath in. And then exhale, roll over the toes, downward facing dog. Pedal out those feet one more time. Maybe this time we start to take it on a little bit of an angle, maybe reaching the knee through the center line. And then come back into your downward facing dog. Inhale, lift the left leg high. Exhale, bend the knees, step it in between your hands. Plant the back foot and inhale to lift the hands up. Warrior one. Front knee is bent, the chest is open. Can we reach the fingertips a little higher? Grow a little longer through your spine. Maybe start to arch back, shining your heart up to the sky. Take an inhale. And then exhale, dive forward, plant the hands. Spin onto the tippy toes of the back foot. Step back to plank. Big inhale. Exhale, lower halfway down. Inhale, upward facing dog. Keep those thighs lifted. And exhale, downward facing dog. This time, we're going to walk the hands back towards the feet. Take a nice bend through the knees if you need to. Take hold of opposite elbows and just find a little rock or a little sway side to side. Just releasing any tension away from your back. And then eventually coming back to stillness, releasing the elbows and working yourself all the way back to your mat. And come to sit in a nice easy position. I'm going to take cross-legged, but you can take whatever feels right for you. But go ahead and sit nice and tall through your spine. Take a nice big inhale to reach both hands up. And as we exhale, plant the right hand, reach the left hand all the way over. Take a few breaths here, lengthening through the fingertips. Breathing into the left hand side of your body. Opening up the waist, the rib cage, the arm. On your next inhale, come all the way back through center. As we exhale, drop the left hand, reach the right arm up and over. Breathing deep, keeping that right sit bone on the floor. Lengthening away the top fingertips. On your next inhale, come all the way up through center. This time as we exhale, we find a twist. So the left hand to the right knee, the right hand out behind your hip, and twisting towards the right hand side. With every inhale, try to reach the crown of the head a little bit higher. And with every exhale, go a little bit deeper into your twist. On your next inhale, come back through center, reach hands up. Exhale to the other side. Right hand to left knee, left hand behind. Every inhale, we sit tall through the back. Every exhale, we twist. The breath is smooth. The breath is calm. On your next inhale, release, come all the way up through center. This time exhale to bring the hands together and bring those hands down to yourself, down to your heart. And namaste everyone. Thank you so much for practicing with me. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you would like to see more from me, please subscribe and have a fantastic rest of your day. Namaste.